If you're looking for a really super easy eye look to do for the summer, today's video is going to be for you. I'm going to show you how I created this really simple eye look. Let's get into it. This is a as I mentioned, this is a very simple look that will be one of my go-to looks for this summer. The color that I'm using has a slight shift to it. This is from MAC and this is Sweet Tea, but I also went in and used this shadow from MAC as well. And this is All That Glitters. And that's a look, but it looks like I have a little color in my crease as my eye moves, and I don't. So really simple. We're going to go in with the Sweet Tea first. I love the name of that. I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush from Angie, and I'm just going to pick up the shadow on my brush and we're going to apply it on my whole lid. Now this has some sparkle in it. I'm going to zoom you in close up so you can see. It's not obscene. But I'm going to put another on here, another coat. Working it on the lid and all the way up here. I'm going to wipe that brush off. I'm going to use the same brush. I'm going to go in with this shadow. All that glitters, tap it off, and we're going to put this on my lid only. I'm just going to pop that in. Now this is going to intensify that gold color a little bit more. Now I'm going to go back into the Sweet Tea again. And I just want to build up that first shadow on my crease a little bit more so we get that nice color shift. And you can see it. It almost looks like a peachy kind of a color to me. Really pretty. Next, I'm going to go in and I'm just going to use the Victoria Beckham Cocoa. And we're going to go into my tight line first. Then once that's applied, I'm going to use the Victoria Beckham brush. I love this because see how tiny that is? So it makes for getting in your tight line so nice and easy. I just want to blend that out. I'm going to take this on my lower, right here. I want to keep it on the lashes. Then I'm going to blend that out. Just to soften that up. And normally I use powder, but we're not using powder today. Now I'm going to take that liner again and just looking straight in my mirror, I just want to kind of give it a little bit of a cat eye. Close my eye and just kind of flicking it up just slightly. Building a little bit up on this outer a little bit. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to use that I used on my tight line and just come in here and just kind of gently blend that a little bit. So it's kind of a flick. It's not really a wing or anything like that. You can see. Next, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes. Chanel mascara in Le Volume. And I'll do at least 2 coats of this. That's it. I just like to wear shadows that are really light. I don't always do fussy eye looks. Sometimes I do, but really for the summer, I like to do something really minimal like this. You don't even have to use the 2 shadows like I did. I just wanted to give it a little bit more dimension. You could even use a bronzer and a highlighter. I mean, look at what you have in your makeup bag. So you don't have to rush out and get these, okay? I will list everything below. But as always, use what you already have. You don't need to buy anything new if you have plenty of eyeshadows, okay? If you are new here, I would love to have you join. I share new videos every single week. Please consider smashing that subscribe button below. It is free. I would greatly appreciate it too. If you've enjoyed it, please make sure you like, share, comment on the video. Helps push them out to algorithm. Would really appreciate it. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.